I get it. You're super busy. How are you supposed to be all neat and tidy when you're already juggling career and family in an overwhelming balancing act? Not practical. But the clutter in your life keeps you from achieving your goals. And it's time to clear it out. What goals? Well, yours. If you feel tired, stressed, or overwhelmed, like you need more hours in every day just to give equal focus to family, fun, health, and career, you have lifestyle goals you need to achieve. It starts with breaking through the barriers we build up ourselves. The walls of stuff we think we need that actually prevents us from living life the way we want to. I know what it's like. I used to build huge attachments to memorabilia. It made my life and mind a mess, and that wasn't going to work for me as a student and world traveller, let alone a successful businesswoman. So over 20 years, I learnt, created and discovered as many tips and low-cost tricks as I could to help me break down the walls I'd created between myself and the goals that I set to accomplish. Now I'd like to share them with you, and this is a lot easier than you might think. These systems can help anyone clear the clutter from your life and refocus on what matters most to you. Free time, family time, leisure time, the ability to launch yourself into building your business or whatever else catches your fancy. Even if it's margaritas by the beach, which sounds great to me. I launched the Organising School to help you get there. Our latest program, Declutter Your Life, is designed to help people just like you, like me, simplify our lives and move forward in whatever way we choose. Because it's time to take charge of our lifestyle through smart management. For more information on our Declutter Your Life program, read on below. Don't delay, start today.